Hi everyone.
Hi, how are you?
Hi guys.
Hello.
Hello. Hi.
Ready for sprint
Let's
planning?
Yes,
Yep.
finally we're done.
We
Final
need
sprint
to
planning.
complete
Let's
it,
do it.
right?
Yes, let me share my screen. So yeah.
Okay, so yeah, let's start.
So user story 9.
Yeah.
So we have total how many stories? So we'll be having
One,
6
two,
users.
three,
We
four.
have 6
Six
user
only we
stories.
have.
Okay.
So
we have
we're
I
dividing
think
each
everyone are
into two
completed
people.
with their
Yes.
old user stories and technical stories, right?
Yeah, we just
Errors
have
and everything.
3 carry forward stories
Yeah,
which need to be completed because this is the final sprint, so we need to do that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
right.
2 carry
Okay.
forward.
Two carry forwards.
2. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
So in user story 9,
First one, then US.
I wanted to connect backend alerts with front end and test the delivery flow.
Right. It is actually going to be that way, I guess, because it's about receiving real-time alerts, right, for detecting threats.
Yeah.
So I think
Yeah.
back end and front end should mostly work on this.
Yes, the goal is to notify users via email or
Right. And
app when threats are detected.
right. So
Yeah.
mostly it would be a front end and back end thing.
Yeah,
So
full stack too.
right,
So let's assign the story point first.
right.
Yeah, let's
Yeah.
assign the names and then story
In
point.
5.
So since
So
back end developers and
Who
front
else
end
will
developers are
do
working on
like
this,
backend and front end?
and I
Okay.
think we do need a full stack also in this one to connect actually.
Yeah,
So I
then
think
Snehita is there in this one.
No,
Snehita,
I'll do that.
Ashrita,
I'll do the
Abhi, and
backend
Shiva should
development
work
part.
on this, I guess.
Yes, I'm the full stack.
And Abhi and Shoyab
Abhi and Shoya being
want
the
to
back
involve in
end and
this, right?
Ashrita being the front end, I think should work on this part.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
Okay.
So Abhi and Shoyab should want to involve in
So
backend development.
Abhi,
We'll
You can
help
write my
on
name.
that.
You can write my name as a backend development.
Yeah. So Abhi
So
and Shoya
I can,
being both actually.
yeah. So I'll set up the alert logic and I integrate with the detection triggers there.
okay. So Ashita, what you're going to do?
Yeah, in this one I will um, generate the notifications and alert the banners.
Sounds good.
This is the
Yeah, that's
main
the
thing
major
that we
point,
need
right?
to
I
do
guess.
Yes.
here, right?
How many story points?
8 story points.
I think we need to assign Abhi also in this because
No,
like
is one of the
No,
No,
member is
like
there
one
one
for
one
backend
is
is
backend.
fine.
Yeah,
fine.
one member is enough,
If you
right?
need any help, you can.
yeah,
Yeah.
you can pitch in actually.
Yeah,
Okay, so how many points are we planning to give for this?
it's 8.
8 would be fine because like these
Because
are
alerts
real
are
time
the major
alerts.
point. I think we need to have alerts, so it should be the primary part because
Yeah.
8.
Yeah,
Let's go for 8.
Let's go for
8.
8.
Okay, fine. So
8.
user story 10.
User story 10. As a user for of as a user of the detection system, I want an option to report a false positive classification so that I can help improve the detection accuracy. I think since it's about the accuracy point, I
Yes,
think
it let
I will take it up.
users report incorrect threat detections.
I think we need a front end and I think we need an
Backend and
ML
ML.
stack.
Backend and machine learning.
Huh,
Yeah.
Yeah.
right. So let me take it up where I'll define how
Yeah.
flag data can be used later for retaining the models.
Okay.
That
Okay.
I'll take
Okay.
as that as a part.
Okay. So
And Ashrita, front end.
Yeah.
Yes.
Right.
in this,
I think here
maybe.
I need to create a button, right? To
Right.
Yeah.
generate
You
the
do.
false
Mm-hmm.
positive.
Yes,
Right,
Yeah.
you do.
report
Okay.
as false positive. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So in
Got
backend
it.
development, I can set up an endpoint to capture reports. I think.
And we need to store them in the database. Like
So yeah,
every
everything will be stored
report
in
must be
database.
stored in a database so that it can be used for the ML to
Right.
retrain those models.
So how many story points?
I think 3 is enough. We don't need so much, I
Yeah,
guess.
that is only.
3 should be enough. It's not a
Yes.
very big task, I guess.
Okay.
Actually.
Yeah.
My part is also
Go
very
with
less.
3.
So
Yeah, let's go with 3.
Okay.
And technical story 9.
develop a
Technical
notification
story night.
system
Develop a
for
notification system for real-time alerts.
So that users are
inform
informed of
potential threats.
potential threats. So
Right.
I think in this, so Vaishnavi,
Yeah, I'll take
if
the
you want to
again ML
involve,
part where I'll detect the layers and
because you
introduce.
want to trigger
Yeah,
alerts from detection modules.
yeah. That's
Yeah,
the
Existing
I'll
I'll
from.
go
set up the models. So
Mm-hmm.
I'll go with test coverage. I'll write end-to-end tests for different threat
Okay,
scenarios.
okay, sounds
that's
good.
good.
I think we need a backend engineer also. Yeah, I think
Yeah.
can Shoaib take up the
Shoaib
thing?
or
I can
Abhi?
take like
Abhi,
I can take a
Abhi or
notification
Shoaib?
service backend.
Okay,
Okay, that's good.
Okay.
okay,
Mm-hmm.
great. I think we need to give again. I think 8 points because it's a longer one. I feel
Yes, even I
because
feel
the goal is like
8 is
backend
fine.
infrastructure, right? I think
Yeah.
alert delivery. So I think it's a bigger one and it's like covers the MVP also of ours.
Yeah.
Okay, 8 it is.
And coming to the technical story 10,
So develop a feedback mechanism
right?
for false positive reports so that the system can
Yes.
improve over
Can
time.
improve over time.
Generally, the goal is to create a backend support for
Yeah,
flagging.
for flagging.
Yeah.
Also,
So I
can
think
So
here,
This
I
is
can
can do
someone,
the
connected to the
API design
previous
here.
one.
Need to design an API.
Yeah, I
Yeah, so
can do
since
that.
it is
The
connected
API
to the
design
Difficult,
can you can
okay.
write my name.
okay.
so
Shoaib, you take the part where you design the API.
Yes, I can do that API design. You can write my
Right.
name.
for
Where you create
interface
the route to accept the
testing,
feedback data. Okay. That
mm-hmm.
is
Mm-hmm.
one. I'll take up the data handling and storage again in this because
Okay,
it's
sounds
connected
good.
with the metadata again for future model improvements.
Mm-hmm.
I
Okay.
think,
For UI hook testing, Nilkamal should want to
yeah,
involve in this thing.
I'll work on that.
yeah. So
Okay,
you will be
Fine.
working where you will validate the integration with the UI.
from full stack perspective,
Right.
yeah.
I think I've taken enough for this today. Let me just come up with this. It's like I can see only my
How
name in
many
last 3
story
of them
points?
actually.
it's
I
Oh my
would
not
like
for
god.
today,
you
bro. We need to
3.
I'm done
complete
for
it
today,
all.
bro.
Okay,
3?
coming
So
to
I think we're
the
giving
next
3 points for this.
Yeah,
Three
Yeah.
yeah.
should be good.
Yeah,
So
this is
for
3
3.
Yeah. Yeah. Three would be better.
coming to the thing. This we are actually not we are not able to complete this from last sprint also. So
Yes.
again,
Yes.
I will also do the 50 thing again.
Huh.
Okay.
I have worked a lot onto this, and probably I think I can figure it out this time.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we need to figure that out. I'll work on the backend and role logic for this. Like we need to implement a role-based access control in the backend APIs. I'll
Yeah,
work
yeah.
on that. You can write my name in it.
So I think I should involve in this because we should want to ensure roles enforce correct permissions with secure fallback behavior. So
So
to
we'll go
security
with test.
validation and testing, so I should want to
Okay.
involve.
Yeah, you better take up that. I can't take it anymore, Dhanush. Please
it.
do me some favors.
That's okay. I'm gonna handle that. It's okay.
The
Thank
story
you.
point should be 8 for this.
Yes, even
Yeah,
I
yeah.
feel
Yeah, it is good.
8.
It's
This is 8.
being carried forward
So it's
from
been carrying
the
forward
past
already.
sprints, right? So we need to give a utmost priority for this.
Yeah.
8 or 13?
No, 8
8.
is
8 is
8.
enough.
8 is good.
already
Eight.
taken up
It is good.
3 story points in every sprint. So
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, and the last one.
Implement.
again, you
what
can
the-
put me into this because I'm working on it from the first sprint. So again, you can put me into this.
Okay.
Yeah,
Not mind.
You can
and
design and connect the login interface, Neil, basically.
Yeah,
you can add me
Edit
in
it
for
actually.
this
yeah.
To implement
for the
token-based
backend
Yeah,
login.
add
setup for
Abhi also
the
because
open
Abhi
auth
and I were working
authentication.
Okay.
together.
Yeah,
Yeah.
So
You
and
both
then
can collaborate.
I'll
Yeah,
take
Yeah.
another role for this security testing. So
The testing is needed.
Yeah.
to secure storage and role verification,
Test
so
for
I should involve.
token, expiry, secure, etc.
Yeah.
Maybe I should involve. So how many points you gonna give for
I think we
this?
can give 5. It's not like
5. 5
so
is
less
fine
or
for
so
this.
small, big also. So 5 should be good, I guess.
5. Yeah.
Okay, so
Only 5.
five
yeah.
Go for 5.
is good then.
So Me, Neelkamal and Dhanush will work on these carry forward items. Like we shouldn't get again carry forwarded. We need to complete this.
Yes.
Right.
I will.
Okay.
Resolve this.
No
Remo
more
should be
carry
taken
forwards.
priority
We need
first,
to
guys, because
complete
it's
in
been
this
carrying
So
sprint
forwarded for
itself.
a longer
Yeah.
time now.
Yeah.
we three gonna work on that. So guys, all good?
Yeah, so this is the
So
only thing,
far,
right?
yes.
We don't have
Yeah.
Okay.
anything else, right?
Yeah.
Okay, then.
I think that's good. Yeah.
So, yeah, that's